Hey guys, welcome back to Afrifama. It feels amazing to be back, and not just back in production. So today I'm going to show you what we do at the farm before the chicks arrive. And right here, as you can be able to see, we are doing the construction of the brooder. I hope if you're thinking kickstarting your own project in poultry farming, then you know why brooder preparation is essential. So today, walk with me as I showcase you how we're going to prepare, and again, as I get to show you around the farm and show you the milestone which we have been able to achieve since this last video, which was a very sad tale. It's a new dawn if you are to be able to compare it with the video which I did a couple of months back, and hey, here we are. Many months later, productions begin from the ashes to the rising, and it's amazing. This morning, I'm not just alone at the farm. I have two amazing young gentlemen from Kilifi who are aspiring poultry farmers. And as you know, at Afrifama, what we do here, we also want to inspire the younger generation to come into the industry and they can be able to create their own farm. So just a quick one, let's get to know who they are and what are their ambitions.
Hello guys. My name I'm Stanley Tuma Mumba, and I'm from Kilifi, and I'm here with Mr. Hilary from Afrifama.
Hello guys, my name is Thomas Kichokola, and I'm here to learn more about these skills of entrepreneurship, about poultry farming, and I'm from Kilifi, and I'm here to this Afrifama. I want to learn more about this. Thank you.
So guys, you've been able to see the young people, other than doing the poultry farming here, other than doing the feed formulation, I also do entrepreneurship, mentorship. I also do coaching, so that because these guys are the future and the future is now. So as an entrepreneur, I have that what we call that social call, which you can be able to impact them. They can be able to see it on the ground, what you are doing. And I believe that's the only way you can actually learn an impactful skill which you can use in your life, or rather which you can use to enhance your livelihood, not just classroom, but at the enterprises themselves. So we'll be working with Thomas, we'll be working with Stanley for today in the brooder preparation as we await for our chicks. we have just completed construction of our brooder just right there, and you can be able to see how amazing it is. Let me give you a wider view to be able to see how good this brooder can be. And by the way, that was quite easy to construct, right? Let's see how this one. Now, as you can be able to see clearly, that's a freshly constructed brooder. It can be able to hold at least 400 chicks, and of course that's our door right there. And look at that, the floor has been cleaned a few days ago, and it's amazing. So we are done with the entire preparation. We've also completed the entire selection of the beddings, and this is very essential in poultry farming because you need to have your litter put in a couple of days before the chick arrives. This ensures that you can be able as well to treat them. They can also be able to dry if they are not well dried. This is going to help you be able to avoid diseases in poultry farming. And by now, if you're a poultry farmer or if you want to venture into poultry farming, you know number one risk in poultry farming is diseases, outbreak. So the best way to make sure this does not happen is to ensure that you make proper preparations before your chick arrives. That is to ensure everything that's needed from the brooder, from the litter, from even the source of heat, and maybe later on, as you're going to see, even the preparations of the equipment that we are going to utilize, that they are properly prepared, cleaned, and even sanitized.
The life to grow.
An entrepreneur has to do what he has to do. So if yourself you cannot be able to do this, so